Hello everyone and welcome back to our NuruBooks accounting software training course. In this session, we are going to start on the different units as I had shared with you in the previous session. We have a couple of units to cover in this course. In this session, I'm going to cover unit number 1, which is dealing with the setting up of a company in NuruBooks accounting software. So for you to be able to create or set up a company in NuruBooks, you must get access to the software itself. On the screen, I'm going to share the landing page, ideally where you would go when you are accessing the software itself. So on the screen, this is how the landing page looks like for NuruBooks accounting software. On this page, you're going to access the application. There are several buttons that have been availed to you on this landing page to be able to use to get into the application. So I'm going to use the start for free or start free button for that matter. So when I click on that, I'm going to be taken to the very first landing page of the application, accounts.nurubooks.com. This landing page gives you much more information regarding the application or the accounting software, from the number of users, transactions processed, everything your finance team needs, simple, transparent pricing plan, the various pricing plans that you can subscribe for. And the most interesting thing is that you can always look at this in your own currency. Okay, wherever you are, you can be able to see the pricing plans, of course, translated to your currency. Then, of course, we have another table here where you can compare all the plans, what is included in the different plans that you may pay for. And of course, at every, let me say, part of the landing page, there is a button that can take you to the setup page where you can create your company. The frequently asked questions are also there. You'll be able to see them. Then we have the bottom of the page with other quick links to the different parts of the software. So for purposes of our learning today, we shall use the start free trial. So when I click on that, I'm going to be taken to another page where I can create a free account in NuruBooks accounting software. So I'll go ahead and click on that. Remember, our unit or our session is creating a company in NuruBooks. Now, as you can see here, ideally, these fields are supposed to be as empty as this if you're accessing the system for the very first time. Now, what you're going to do, you are going to sign up, because by the time you come to this page, you don't have an account in NuruBooks. So you'll need to sign up here. So I'm going to click on the sign up button. So when you click on the sign up button, you're going to be taken to the create your company form, where you're going to input your email address and password. Then that password, you can always confirm it. Now, for now, I'm going to make use of my email here. My email here. I put in the password. Then I'll click on create account. So when I click on create account, I will get a notification on my email, the email I've used to verify my email. This is an important step because It ensures that the email you're using is actually an authentic email, or I should say the correct one, because you could have made a mistake in any of these. So verification would ideally mean that you are good to go when it comes to the email. So I'm going to go to my email here. And as you can see in my email inbox, I have an email from NuruBooks requiring me to verify my email. So I'll click on that. And here, of course, I'm given the verification code, which expires in 10 minutes. So I'll go ahead and copy this verification code, come back to NuruBooks. I post that code, and then I click on the verify email button. So when you click on that, of course, the system will get notified that you have actually verified your email, and you're going to be taken straight to the um, company setup page. So this is your setup page, and you're going to set up your business. Now, as I mentioned, we are going to use an actual business, and the business I, of course, indicated was St. Mark, which is this one here. We are going to make use of the background information on the content page that I shared with you to create the company in NuruBooks accounting software. So I'm going to begin by copying the name of the institution or the company for that matter. Come to NuruBooks, setup page, paste that name in the company name field. Select the country, I will select Uganda. Industry, it is an education institution, so I'll select either schools or education. The address, I'll go ahead and pick up the same address. Of course, the address was given when you look at the content given to you that we are using in this training. You can see that the company's location has been given, the box number have been given, the street address, and everything you need for you to create the company. So you copy that, come back to the setup page of the company, under the address field, paste that. And then, of course, the email will have been auto-populated because this is the email that we use to set up our company. The phone number has also been given on the content page or the content that has been shared with you. Go ahead and put the telephone number. If there's a website for the company, also put it there. The TIN or the tax identification number of the company, go ahead and put. And then, of course, as you're going to see down here, the chart of accounts is going to be created based on the industry of the business that you're creating. What is happening in NuruBooks is that different charts of accounts have been included in the application to help you get started quickly or on a very, very easy note. So go ahead and click the next button. On that, you're going to be taken to the financial setup. Here, you're going to select the currency of your company. We are going to use the UGX as given in the content page that has been shared with you. Go ahead and indicate the financial year start and end. So our financial year will begin on 1st of January 2026. I think it is 2025. Let's go with 2025, but that's the full financial year. So 1st of January 2025, I'll select that here on the calendar. And then, of course, I'll select the financial year end, which is 31st of December 2025. So I select that, then I click the next button. When you click the next button, you're going to be taken to the confirmation page of the business setup. On this page, you see the name of the company, confirm that, the country, the currency, the industry, and then, of course, the indication is that you're starting a 14 days free trial. From there, click on the create company. The system or the software will go ahead to create for you your own company. which may take a few minutes depending on the nature of the company and industry that you have selected. During this session, the system is creating your chart of accounts, which is very important, creating the ledgers and the different accounts that speak to your industry and, your company. After that, you're going to be taken to the welcome page. On this page, you can choose to still select between the different pricing plans. NuruBooks has 4 major pricing plans. We have the starter plan, the growth plan, professional, and of course, if you want a customized system for your business, we shall be able to create for you that tailored system that speaks to your company. Again, there's an opportunity for you to compare the plans to see exactly what you get for the different plan that you will have selected in those circumstances. You can always keep on upgrading. You can start with the starter, upgrade to growth, and then you can move to professional. Now that we are learning, we shall move with a 14 days free trial because our training will take exactly not more than those days. So go ahead and click on continue with free plan. So there's a button here just below the pricing plans. Click on that. And there you're going to be taken to your well-developed dashboard. And of course, the gateway to your accounting software. You can still go back to upgrade your plan if you want to get more features that are way above the free plan. This marks the end of our session 1, which deals with creating of a company in NuruBooks. Our next session, I'm going to take you through the homepage navigation, where I'm going to show you the different parts of NuruBooks, including the dashboard. Thank you.